Determine whether negative 1, 1, 1 is a solution to the system of equations. Well, for this point to be a solution to the system of equations, it has to solve all three equations at the same time. What that means, and I'll just number these off, so I'll say this is equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. So what that means is, for instance, in equation 1, if I take the point negative 1, 1, 1, and plug it into this equation, so it would be 2 times the x value, which is negative 1, plus the y value, which is 1, plus the z value, which is also 1, then that's supposed to be equal to this value over here, which is 0. So let's see what happens. So 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, plus 1 is 2, and that does in fact equal 0. So we have a solution to the first equation. So this is a solution to it. Now I'll go ahead and write that down. So this is a solution. And for the second equation, the point negative 1, 1, 1 would be negative 2 times the x-coordinate of negative 1 plus, oops, actually that's minus 2 times the y, so minus 2 times the y-coordinate, which is 1, minus 3 times the z-coordinate, which is 1. And this is supposed to equal the value negative 3. So let's see if that works. Negative 2 times negative 1 is 2. This would be minus 2, and then minus 3. And 2 minus 2 cancel each other out, so negative 3 does in fact equal negative 3, so that checks out. So this is also a solution to the second equation. But it has to solve all three in order to be a solution to the system, so we still have to check the last one. So the point, again, negative 1, 1, 1, is the x value, which is negative 1, plus 2 times the y value, which is positive 1, minus the z value, which is 1 again. And that's supposed to equal 0. So let's see what happens. Negative 1 plus 2 minus 1 should be 0. Put question marks there because we don't know yet. And let's see, negative 1 minus 1 would be negative 2. And then negative 2 plus 2 does in fact equal 0. So this is also a solution. So this one point solves all three equations at the same time. So it is in fact a solution to the system. So yes, well, I won't say it. Let's say yes, negative 1, 1, 1 is a solution to the system.